How to increase YouTube AdSense revenue in 3 steps. In this video, we'll explore 3 effective strategies to boost your YouTube AdSense revenue. Whether you're just starting or looking to optimize your existing channel, these tips can help maximize your earnings. Firstly, focus on increasing viewer engagement. Create content that resonates with your audience and encourages them to spend more time on your channel. Longer watch times can significantly impact your AdSense revenue. Use captivating thumbnails, intriguing titles, and engaging video content to keep viewers hooked. Don't forget to interact with your audience through comments and community posts to build a loyal fanbase. Next, optimize your SEO strategy. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to enhance discoverability. Conduct keyword research to identify what your audience is searching for and incorporate those terms strategically. A well-optimized video can rank higher in search results, attracting more views and, ultimately, more ad revenue. Lastly, explore different ad formats. Enable overlay ads, skippable video ads, and display ads to see what performs best with your audience. Experiment with ad placement to find the optimal mix that doesn't disturb the viewing experience but maximizes revenue. Regularly review your analytics to understand what's working and make necessary adjustments. So there you have it, 3 simple steps to increase your YouTube AdSense revenue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button for more tips and tricks.